Most people get this wrong when trying to link Mistplay to Google Play. They assume there's a special button called Connect Google Play, but that's not usually how the process works. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is signing into different Google accounts across your device, Google Play Store, and Mistplay. In this video, you'll learn how Mistplay works with Google Play in 2026, how to make sure everything is connected correctly, and what to do if games or rewards aren't tracking properly. Let's get straight to the solution. When you install Mistplay on an Android device, the app typically relies on your Google Play environment to download and track eligible games. To make sure everything works correctly, start by opening the Google Play Store and confirm you're signed into the Google account you want to use. Next, open Mistplay and complete the account setup process if you haven't already. Make sure any requested permissions are enabled. These permissions help the app verify game installations and activity when required. Here's a quick win. If you're already signed into the same Google account across your device and Play Store, you're halfway done. But here's the problem. Many users have multiple Google accounts on their phones. For example, Alex uses one account for Gmail and another for app purchases. When he installs a game through Mistplay, tracking issues can happen if the game downloads under a different Google Play account. To avoid this, double-check which Google account is active in the Play Store before downloading any recommended game through Mistplay. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even if everything appears connected, some users notice that game progress or rewards don't update immediately. In many cases, this isn't a linking problem at all. Tracking systems can take time to register activity. Before assuming something is broken, make sure you've launched the game directly from Mistplay at least once and played for a reasonable amount of time. This is where most people fail. They install a game manually through Google Play instead of using the game link provided inside Mistplay. When that happens, the app may have difficulty associating the installation with your account activity. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest troubleshooting method. If rewards aren't tracking, update Mistplay, update Google Play Store, restart your device, and verify that you're still signed into the correct Google account. These simple checks solve many common issues. So let's recap. To link Mistplay with Google Play successfully, use the same Google account across your device and Play Store. Install games through Mistplay whenever possible. Keep both apps updated, and verify permissions are enabled. Following these steps helps ensure proper tracking and reward eligibility. If this guide helped you, leave a comment below with your biggest Mistplay question. Hit the like button, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.